Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and I have found my new summer party dress. This Maxi dress by Olaesa has exceeded all of my expectations. I am absolutely in love with this dark mint green color, just a hint of gray to it. I'm 5'5" and I'm wearing the medium, and with no shoes, it just brushes the ground. So if I put on a pair of flats or I put on a cute heel, there's not going to be any dragging. I was also not sure about the lace panels. I didn't want them to be too high up on my legs. I did want this to feel like a modest dress, and I'm happy that they're just right at my knees and I don't feel like I'm showing too much. I love how this dress is flowy and comfortable. It moves with me, but it also follows my curves. I'm not hiding anything, but I'm also not showing too much. I do normally wear a medium, so I went with the medium. I think it fits very well, and I easily could have sized down if I wanted it to be a little more hugging, because this waist is really incredibly stretchy. This dress has quickly made its way to the front of my closet and is definitely one that I want to grab first and wear over and over again. It is so comfortable and so beautiful and will be a wonderful addition to your closet too. And that's my point of view.